So recently, we've been discussing the 3 Ds in preparing your home for sale: declutter, depersonalize, and deep clean. Previously, we learned about the importance of decluttering and depersonalization. So let's talk about scheduling a deep clean before your photos and your first open house. No need to worry. This is a complimentary service which I provide when selling your home. I understand you may vacuum every day and the home is spotless. It's fine, trust me. But regardless, clean and spotless is a subjective term for everyone. So ideally, 1 to 2 days before photos are taken, I always have my own crew perform a deep clean and stage the home for the photos. This will ensure your home is seen online and on social media in the best possible way, providing a clean, crisp presentation and allowing potential buyers to be envious of your home, sparking interest and demand. Remember, there's no need to worry. I will guide you along each step of the way, making sure your home is listed, loved, and sold for the highest price possible. To learn more about preparing your home for sale, drop the comment SELL, S-E-L-L, below, and I will send you information on your home's value. As always, I'm Ryan Lephart with homesforsalecolumbus.com and homesforsalepowell.com. Talk to you soon.